Hello friends, hope you all are fine. Today we will try to solve problem on protein folding. Okay, so before starting to this problem, I suggest you to just by heart basic information on amino acids, that what are polar, non-polar, charged, uncharged, as well as hydrophilic, hydrophobic amino acids, and different signs of amino acids. If you try to remember this information on amino acid, then it will be easier for you to solve such kind of a problem. Okay, now here is the problem. Protein folding allows researchers to make prediction about protein structure that is based on primary amino acid sequence data. So here total 27 amino acid long protein sequence is given, and based on this information we have to answer certain questions. So the first question is that where protein turn. So we have to find out where beta turn will be formed. So one thing please keep in your mind, that proline is amino acid that plays an important typical role in the folding mechanisms. So there are chances that among this 27 amino acid long sequence where proline is present, beta turn will be formed. So we can find that proline is present at 6th amino acid residue, as well as proline is again present at 18th amino acid residue. So there are chances that at every 6th and 18th amino acid residues beta turn will be formed. Now the second question is that find out interchain disulfide bond linkage. So in this 27 amino acid long sequence, we all know that among the amino acids, methionine and cysteines are the two amino acids which contain sulfur atom in their basic structure, and disulfide bond will be created between two sulfur atoms. So in this sequence cysteine is present, whereas methionine is not present. So cysteine is present at 12th residue, as well as cysteine is also present at 23rd residue. So there are chances that at 12th and 23rd residue, between 12th and 23rd residue, disulfide bond linkage will be formed. Now they fragmentized this 23 amino acid long residue sequence. They said that asparagine, isoleucine, threonine, alanine, glutamine and lysine, this chain, we have to assume that this chain is a part of a globular protein. So based on this information, we have to find out the location of proteins. When they already said that globular protein they are part of a globular protein. So as the outer side and inner side of any of the globular protein, it acts like in plasma membrane. So there are chances that at outer sides mostly polar amino acids are present. So among these fragments, polar amino acids are asparagine, glutamine and lysine. So there are strong possibilities that asparagine, glutamine and lysine are present on the outer side of the globular protein. Now in the inner side, there are chances that because of the hydrophobic interactions, non-polar amino acids are present in a very high amount at internal side of the globular protein. So among these fragments, alanine and isoleucine are non-polar amino acids. So there are chances that at inner sides these two amino acids are present. Whereas in the second problem, they give 15 amino acid long sequence and give two options. Okay, and these are L, K, A, E and D. These are different signs of amino acids. You have to by heart before starting to solve this problem. Now based on this information, we have to find out that among this polypeptide chain, which polypeptide chain will take part to form an alpha helical structure. So based on the theory of protein structure, proline in its structural formula, it contains a cyclic ring So because of the presence of this cyclic ring, it will form some kind of a hindrance while the forming a alpha helical structure. So based on the theory and Ramachandran plot theory, proline is considered as a strong helix breaker. So there are chances that in such a polypeptide sequence where proline is appear more than one times or two times, it can't be form alpha helical structure. So among this sequence, we can clearly say that in option 2, proline is present two times, whereas in first amino acid sequence, proline is not present, but alanine is present. And based on theory, alanine plays an important role in the formation of alpha helical structure. So obviously, first option amino acid sequence polypeptide will take part in the formation of alpha helix. So I hope you will understand such kind of problems in a well manner. If my videos are helpful in your studies, please do subscribe to my channel. I have some technical issues, that's why I will upload videos after 2 to 3 weeks. Till then, take care friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.